In this series, we exploit your knowledge of English as foundation to get an idea of how Russian sentences are composed. According to their role, 5 sentence elements are distinguished in the Russian language. Each of the 5 has dedicated highlighting assigned. The first element is a subject. In Russian, it is called подлежащее, a person or thing about whom the statement is made. In Russian syntactic analysis, a subject is highlighted with a single underline. Most times we pick either a noun or a pronoun for a subject. Neither of the two basically requires any change of form, called declension, when it serves as a subject. Pick anything straight from a dictionary, like in English, and you have a ready-to-use subject. Я, мы, они. Горы, дорога, фильм. Add another sentence element now, a predicate, and you've got a Russian sentence. This one would sound «ты знаешь». There cannot be a subject without a predicate in a sentence. What if a plane lands and someone just says «ground», or in Russian «земля»? Isn't this a subject without a predicate? Just the opposite. This is a predicate without a subject, even though the predicate here is composed of a noun instead of a verb. Well, that's it for an easy start. We're switching to the predicate in the next video, and things will change.